We are on the move again.
Back to reality.
Back to reality, going to Melaka today.
We're gonna leave our luxurious apartment, Airbnb. We're gonna say goodbye to this amazing view. It's time to move on.
Yeah.
We're about to get the overground to KL Central and then buy a ticket to Melaka. KL Central. First things first.
Food.
Obviously. The tickets can wait.
Where do you want to go?
I don't know. We stopped for lunch and look at this. We are at the chicken rice shop and the food looks marvelous. I'm having chicken barbecue honey with steamed rice. Some, I think it's strawberry juice. We've got soup. Christiana, she's having roasted chicken.
Yeah.
And rice. Looks pretty good.
Tastes good.
Lunch sorted. Now we are in KL Central. We're gonna change line and head to BTS. That's where the main bus station is, and buy a ticket over there.
We're here, tickets are sorted. Let's go wait for that bus.
Arrived in Melaka, but not on the city centre. They left us 3 kilometers away.
Yeah.
So we need to find maybe a bus or taxi. We're gonna figure it out.
Let's see.
We're taking the local bus, 2 ringgit per person to the city centre.
150.
150, that's it. Yeah.
150.
How many buses and overgrounds and undergrounds have we taken today? A lot.
I can't count it.
Hard Rock Cafe, Melaka. You made it.
We have a booking for today?
Yeah.
Is it okay if we check in now? Christiana, yes.
Yeah. We've checked into our room. This is our room for the next 4 days. We're a bit tired.
Yeah, shared bathroom by the way.
That's not a problem.
No, it's only for 3 days.
And it's clean. We've got free coffee, free bread.
Free jam, free porridge.
Yeah. And we're just gonna relax here a little bit and go
For dinner.
Yeah. Dinner time, Indian food all the way, my favorite. We're having chicken tandoori. Christiana, she's struggling with the spice. This is normally spicier than usual.
This is spicy.
We've got a tetarig to help it out. Basically, tetarig is black tea with condensed milk. But the chicken is really, really nice. Really juicy. Oh, this place was recommended by our host to come over here. Best Indian restaurant. It's North Indian and Pakistani. So it's a mixture. We're just waiting for the naan bread.
This is the real deal.
We've got it. That's some sauce, like curry, isn't it? It's a mixture.
I love this sauce.
It's good anyway. It's yellowish, orangey sauce, which is really good. And we've got
lentils.
Yeah, lentil sauce, and we've got our naan. Happy days, happy days. Hot. I'm gonna put this, you know. Best tandoori ever. Ooh, very happy faces. Best tandoori chicken ever in our lives. If you come to Melaka, please check that out. And we're asking, please do, because you're not going to regret it.
No.
It's called Putra.
Putra?
Yeah, Putra restaurants. It's it's North Indian, Pakistani foods, and it's the best one you ever gonna have in Malaysia. Really, really happy. Yeah.
Nice and cool.
We're back at the hotel, ready for bed. When you travel one place to the other, it's always tiring. All we need now is have some sleep.
Energy levels down.
Tomorrow we're gonna visit the city, Melaka. There's a lot to do, so we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. See you guys on the next one. Bye.